This video, I will be showing you how to replace the dryer door switch. A very easy repair, shouldn't take too long to do it. The reason why you'll be replacing the door switch is the lever broke or short inside the switch. This will cause the dryer to think the door is open and it won't run, or the dryer will continue to run with the door open. Here is the new door switch. Make sure the new switch clicks to confirm it's mechanically sound. First thing we have to do is lift up the lint screen door to gain access to the two screws. If you had that type of lint screen, just pull it out and you have access to the two screws. Remove the two screws. Then take a putty knife, 2 inches from each corner. There is a little locking tab that you have to push in, lift the lid on one side, and then the other side. This was a little difficult for me because the dryer is actually on rollers, so if it was sit stationary, it would have been a little easier to do. When using a putty knife, push in the tab to release the lid of the dryer, as on video. Never put it underneath like so. Always above the tabs. That will release the lid and you'll be able to lift the lid out. Here are the two mounting screws, one on the left and the right of the lever. As you can see, the lever was really loose. It was a broken lever. Then remove both screws. Once you have that done, just take a small screwdriver and disconnect the wire harness, as so. To remove the harness tab, just squeeze the tab with pliers and push with a straight head or Phillips screwdriver. Here's the new switch compared to the old switch. Old switch is very loose and doesn't click, as you can see. To mount the new switch, put the lever or actuator in the hole. Stick one screw through the hole. Screwing it through the hole, screwing it into the mounting hole of the switch. Hand tighten. Now put the other screw in, hand tighten. And secure it securely with the screwdriver. Very snug, but not too tight. Now the switch is into place. You can push the tab in place now. You can now connect the wiring harness. Close the lid. Make sure the tabs are secure. Once the lid is secure, lift up the lid screen cover and screw the Phillips head screws into place. And slide the lint screen into place. The dryer is repaired. Turn it on and make sure it works. It now turns off when the door is open and turns on with the start switch. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe and write a comment, good or bad. I appreciate the critique. Have a good one.